Your technology setup can either protect your business or leave it exposed. That's why IT audits are important. They're one of the most effective ways to make sure your systems are secure, compliant, and working the way they should. An IT audit is a structured review of your organization's technology, everything from systems and networks to security protocols and internal processes. The goal is to find weaknesses before they become problems. You don't have to be a huge company to benefit from one. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, regular IT audits help you spot risks, reduce downtime, and make better decisions about your tech. So, why are IT audits important? Here are a few reasons. Number 1. Better security. Audits help you find vulnerabilities like outdated software or weak passwords before attackers do. Number 2. Compliance made easier. If you're in a regulated industry, audits help prove you're following rules like GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. 3. Improved efficiency. You'll often uncover redundant tools or manual processes that can be streamlined or eliminated. 4. Stronger business continuity. Audits test backups and disaster recovery plans, critical for staying online during disruptions. 5. Smarter decision making. The insights from an audit help align IT investments with business goals. Now let's break down the different types of IT audits. You can categorize them by who performs them. Internal audits are done by your own IT or compliance team, often as a way to catch problems early. External audits are handled by independent experts, especially when certification or regulation is involved. Then there are audits based on purpose. Compliance audits make sure you're following laws and standards. Risk or control audits check if your internal systems and access policies are protecting your data. Operational audits focus on how efficiently your tech runs, including hardware and support processes. System or application audits look at whether specific tools are secure, licensed, and properly used. Development lifecycle audits examine how software and infrastructure changes are planned, tested, and deployed. Whatever the goal, a good audit follows a clear process. Let's walk through the steps. Number 1. Planning. Define the scope, pick the team, and clarify what you're auditing and why. Number 2. Preliminary review. Understand how your system currently works and review any past audits. Number 3. Risk assessment. Identify your biggest vulnerabilities and prioritize them. Number 4. Audit design. Plan how you'll test your controls and collect evidence. Number 5. Fieldwork and testing. This is where the hands-on work happens: interviews, system reviews, and technical checks. Number 6. Analysis. Review findings, spot weaknesses, and identify areas for improvement. Number 7. Reporting. Create a clear, actionable report to share your findings and recommendations. And number 8. Final review. Discuss the results with stakeholders, confirm next steps, and plan follow-ups. A well-run audit depends on having the right people in the room. Let's break down the typical roles. The auditor runs the process, gathers evidence, and tests controls. The audit manager oversees the work and ensures quality. IT specialists offer technical support, and compliance officers make sure you're checking all the right boxes. Then you have the stakeholders, like department heads, who help provide info and implement improvements. And what makes it all easier? Having complete, up-to-date data. That's where tools like InvGate Asset Management can help. It gives you a clear view of all your assets, hardware, software, and cloud, so you start the audit with the right information already in place. Let's wrap up with some best practices to make your audits easier and more effective. 1. Start with a clear goal and scope. Know what you're trying to find out and don't try to audit everything at once. 2. Focus on high-risk areas. Not everything needs equal attention. Prioritize your biggest vulnerabilities. 3. Document everything. Good records help with compliance, accountability, and repeatability. 4. Choose the right software. Use tools that simplify tracking, inventory, and reporting. 5. Follow up on your recommendations. An audit only creates value if the results lead to action. So as you've seen, IT audits aren't just passing checklists. They help you find risks, improve performance, and stay ready for whatever comes next. Whether you're facing strict regulations or just trying to do things smarter, a good IT audit gives you the clarity to move forward with confidence. Do you have any thoughts on this topic you'd like to share? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and follow InvGate Academy for more insights into the world of service and asset management.